Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ExpertBook B3 Flip. ASUS announced ExpertBook B3 Flip, a refreshed model of the powerful versatile convertible laptop designed for both hybrid working and learning, empowering maximum flexibility anytime, anywhere. B3 Flip is equipped with 360-degree any position hinge for total display flexibility, a world-facing camera for a new perspective, and a fast charging garage style for simple intuitive input. It includes several convenient health protection features, including ASUS Antibacterial Guard and a TÜV Rheinland certified display for everyday eye care. The Wi-Fi 6E technology is further enhanced by ASUS WiFi Master technology for faster, more stable connections, and it is also supplemented by an optional fast 4G LTE nano-SIM for fast and portable connectivity. Two-way AI-powered noise cancellation technology and noise reducing cameras ensure excellent remote learning and conferencing experience. The powerful ExpertBook B3 Flip make light work for all business tasks, consisting of its up to Intel Core 7 processor, Intel UHD graphics that deliver quick and responsive computing with lively graphics performance. It also features onboard memory and SODA slot for upgrading memory up to 40 GB. This powerful credential also ensures that B3 Flip is fit to the multitasking that is essential for modern learning and entertainment. If you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.